How to enable floating notification and incognito mode on Google Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Chrome application. After that, tap on this three dot line and then go to settings. Now go to notifications, confirm notification, and then go to notification categories. Now from here, you will be able to select floating notifications. Now in order to enable incognito mode, go back again. Now tap on this three dot and now go to new incognito tab, and just like this you have gone incognito. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.